Unit 1, Mid-Unit Retake. For all grids, each small square on the grid has an area of 1 square unit unless otherwise indicated. Question 1. Which parallelogram has an area of 120 square units? Question 2. Select all triangles with an area less than 30 square units. Question 3. Select all the parallelograms that have an area of 15 square units. Question 4. On each triangle, draw a segment to represent the height that corresponds to the given base. Label each height with the word height. Question 5. Draw two distinct parallelograms, both with areas of 24 square units. The two parallelograms should not be identical copies of each other. Question 6. Find the area of the given figure. Question 7. The figure is a diagram of a wall. Lengths are given in feet. How many square feet of wallpaper would be needed to cover the wall?